Hey lads, TechScanning here. So after the launch of its 4-level phones in December 2022, Oppo is busy in the development of its popular Oppo Find X6 series, which is likely to debut in the first quarter of 2023. Thanks to our reliable tipster own leaks for 3D renders, we already have the idea of the design of the series. But we don't need to rely on the 3D renders or wait for the launch event, as someone already got their hands on the higher-end Oppo Find X6 Pro. So looking at the phone, the design seems to be in line with the 3D renders that we got earlier, as we can spot a similar looking giant camera island on the back of the phone. While for the first time we also got the front look of the phone, revealing a curved display with a centered punch hole for the selfie cam, which is said to be a 32-megapixel Sony IMX709. The device is expected to sport around 6.8 or 9 inches Quad HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Further, we can spot the IR blaster, a top-mounted speaker, and the Hasselblad camera app, confirming the Hasselblad tweaked camera system. As I told in one of my earlier videos, the Oppo Find X6 Pro will carry 3 types of camera sensors, including the primary, ultra-wide, and periscope. And all of these sensors will be 50 megapixel. However, the interesting part will be its 120 times digital zoom, as claimed by a well-reputed leak store Digital Chat Station. The Oppo Find X6 Pro will be a pretty powerful device, as it is taped to come with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset alongside the 5000 mAh of battery and 100-watt fast charging support. A few days back, both the standard Oppo Find X6 and Find X6 Pro appeared on the CMIIT certification database, which is the sign that the handset may go official soon in the home country. However, for the global launch, speculations are saying Oppo may unveil the handsets at Mobile World Congress in February. So are you excited about the Oppo Find X6 series? Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.